having multiple NFTs, multiple coupon NFTs on a single wallet, and how can you maybe send one of those NFTs to a friend and or send it to a different account so that you can actually collect rather the discount. So we're gonna head to STS NFT, which is the most popular NFT trading site on Stacks, and we're gonna head to our profile. This screen is accessible after you log into the site. And in my account, I have three NFTs. These are the Club 100,000 NFT for digital landlords that we sent last week. And some people might have multiple um, NFTs because we had to resort to manual processes to send the NFTs as some of our programs fail due to network congestion. But it goes to your benefit because even though we don't allow you to catch multiple NFTs on a single account, you can create a second account and then transfer the NFT. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna take this account number of another account that I have, and I'm going to click on the NFT, and then after I click on the NFT, I can see the image. um, we actually put these images on IPFS using a gateway, and I can see that I get all of the details. So it tells me that I get a bonus, um, the dollar amount on the website that I'm gonna purchase. It tells me what the NFT is about. So it's for virtual screen operators, and it tells me that the bonus is complete, that I have a 100% bonus here. So I cannot sell it here on XTX NFT because it's a coupon that we only sell on our site, but I can transfer it to a new account. So I'm gonna click send, and here you can use a BNS name or you can use a stack address. I'm gonna paste the stack address. After it validates that the stack address is okay, then it opens up a send button, and it's just telling you that you're gonna send the NFT to this account. So just click send. Now a confirmation box is going to pop up. So it's telling you that you're gonna transfer the coupon to that account, and it's only going to charge you a very low transaction fee. So just click on high so that the network works faster. Click confirm, and that will actually create a transaction that will post to the blockchain, and that will send your NFT to a different account. Um, and in that way, you can redeem multiple NFTs if you were as lucky as receiving not only one but multiple NFTs. Again, the airdrop was only one per person. Some people got extremely lucky. This is how you can transfer your NFTs. If you were as lucky as getting multiple NFT coupons, if you wish to sell your NFT coupons, you can do so. Maybe you can do a catamaran swap to get the money, and then you can send the NFT here through this facility. If you don't want to wait until we release our NFT marketplace, if you can wait until Friday, then you will be able to sell it um, with our NFT marketplace via escrow, and you will also be able to redeem it to get multiple NFT digital land, right? So that's gonna be really exciting. This is the second integration that has been done with this NFT. There's another integration with Stacks Ocean, and we plan to keep integrating not only our coupons, but we also want to integrate all of the digital land NFTs that we put out, so that they are able to be listed, consumed, transferred, bought and sold on other marketplaces. There's also a bridge, an Ethereum bridge that's planned for next year, even though it will be released to testnet this year. So that will be completed for the NFTs, and yeah, it will be, we will create multiple bridges with other marketplaces so that you can freely move NFTs from one ecosystem to another, increasing the potential size of your market. All right, thanks for your attention.